We spent one night at the Hyatt Regency Yokohama prior to our cruise on the Celebrity Millennium. We had dropped our bags at concierge earlier in the day and proceeded on to do a tour of Kamakura. Now, tired and bedraggled, we checked into our standard room. Okay, here we are. Ooh, bright light. Standard room at the Hyatt Regency Yokohama.
Oh, thank you.
Hello. Well, slight interruption to the room tour there when the concierge brought up somebody else's suitcases.
5 minutes later.
This is the standard room at the Hyatt Regency Yokohama. Now that is a very large bed. That is a full-size king bed. Nice desk. Day beddy sofa thing, or a backless sofa I guess you'd say. Asian style print behind the bed. Steward waiting attentively at the door for me to do my room tour. Television. What have we got over here? We have some form of pod machine. There is a safe. There is an empty refrigerator. We'll see how many pods they give us. Well, they've got wine glasses. Let's have a look. They've got these sorts of pods. Drip pods. Dark roast. Decaf, which is what we like. So decaf coffees. Two of those. Two complimentary water jars. Some hanging space. Two robes up the top there. Appears that there's an ironing board. Laundry bag. And then the bathroom. The vanity area is open to the room, which is fine, although it does look like there is some sort of sliding doors that meet in the corner there, so you can close off the bathroom entirely. Okay, but otherwise we have a vanity. We have a shower. Can't quite. There we go. Lights there. Shower and bath. Okay, so the shower is there next to a bath. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, rain head, shower head, handheld shower head. And then we have the standard Japanese toilet with the keypad controls there. There are some amenities under the... There we go, quite an extensive array of amenities. Gosh, bath salts, body towels, all sorts of things. There is a hairdryer underneath. That doesn't come out, so there's a hairdryer down there. And the towels. Very good. Well, I'm happy with that. Are you happy with that, Stu?
That's superb.
Yes.
That's great.
So we're here on our Hyatt points. This is a reward night here because we're here to catch a cruise tomorrow from the port. Okay, so let's see what the view is. I can see the sun, so it must be westward. Hopefully that's our bags.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
We didn't spend long here, but our stay was comfortable. There is a handy Lawson mini mart across the road, and it was easy to get a cab the next morning to the ship.